Hi, in this tutorial today we shall see how to interface Maker Nano RP2040 with DHT22 and Sparkfun SERLCD. For this tutorial, you will need a group shield for Arduino Nano, Maker Nano RP2040, a Sparkfun SERLCD and DHT22. The circuit is built as shown in the video. The DHT22 is connected to port D2 of the group shield, and the SERLCD is connected through the Maker port of the Maker Nano RP2040. For the code, I have written a very small code to display the sensor value onto the LCD. Once we have compiled the code, now we can upload the code. That's about our tutorial for today. Till we meet in our next tutorial video. Thank you and bye-bye.